When you look at business and you get in the business world, there's people out there who you can count on to sort of keep things going. But what you also need is people that have ideas on how to transform the business, how to change, different ways to look at it. And I've done a lot of that in my career. You gotta be bold in terms of having confidence in yourself and what you're doing. So it's a very difficult place to be. It's always a place you feel uncomfortable. But when you're uncomfortable is when you get the best innovation. I think of Rutgers as the foundation for building a lot of that confidence in myself.
When we honor someone like Mike, we want our students to see how someone took what he learned here at Rutgers, what the community of Rutgers Engineering provided, how the opportunities that he had, not only as a student but also as an athlete, to become the person that he is today. This leader in one of the most competitive industries in the world that was able to shape the direction of a corporation of Verizon, bringing new technology, making those bets to make advances that is incredible today.
My job is to reimagine how people do things and perhaps how we can be doing it differently. And as you can imagine, you have to have some ideas, you have to have visions, you have to have people that can follow through in it, and then of course deliver.
Mike has been involved in every G that we've launched from 2G to 5G. But one of the pivotal impacts that he had on the industry was to look at the different ways of delivering wireless mobility services to our customers.
When I first came into the company, we had analog technology. My first assignment was to convert us to digital, to support a lot more users, which really kicked off the wireless revolution. It was a big bet because in a network, once you commit to technology, you really got to commit to it.
The other large accomplishment that I always think of when I think of Mike is 9/11. Mike was the leader of the New York Metro wireless team at the time. He figured out who we needed where and what work they needed to do. He really led the team to bring the network back up and allowed us not only to bring service to our customers, but also to the first responders that were in southern Manhattan.
Verizon has been so instrumental to advancing the school mission, and Mike's role in this has been tremendous, leading this partnership in many different ways, from supporting students, mentoring students, providing technical expertise from the company, supporting our research, fostering new innovation areas.
Mike gave me a broader perspective on what the future should be. It opened my eyes to what a possible career in engineering is, as opposed to just what I see in the classroom. I was able to see for the first time how engineers make really great leaders.
I feel that students can learn from my career a lot about grit, determination, perseverance, willingness to fail, willingness to be bold, a willingness to take risks. The Medal of Excellence to me certainly is a recognition that you've done a lot of things right. The fact that Rutgers looked at my background and basically said, you are the type of person that we're looking for this award, meant a lot because I felt like I've worked hard over my career. I've done it the right way. I haven't taken any shortcuts.
We are very proud of Mike. We are very proud of what he represents. We have the opportunity to see in Mike the best of us.